Our journey begins as raw materials arrive, forming the foundation of every LED bulb.
Every material is carefully inspected and sorted to ensure only the best enters production.
Molten plastic is molded into precise bulb housings, forming the backbone of each LED bulb. Robotic arms carefully remove each housing, maintaining precision and speed in the production line. Housings cool and receive their first quality check, ensuring every bulb starts perfectly.
Each LED chip is rigorously tested to guarantee brightness and efficiency before assembly.
LED chips are precisely mounted onto PCBs, forming the heart of each bulb. Automated soldering ensures every LED chip is securely connected for flawless performance. Thermal paste is applied meticulously to keep each LED cool and long-lasting. Thermal paste is applied meticulously to keep each LED cool and long-lasting. Precise wiring ensures each LED bulb receives power safely and efficiently. Lenses and diffusers are fitted to shape and soften the light of every bulb.
Protective coatings are applied and cured to enhance light quality and durability.
Each bulb is powered on to verify basic functionality before further testing.
Bulbs are tested for brightness and color temperature to ensure consistent light quality.
Each bulb is checked for flicker and electrical safety, ensuring reliable performance. Bulbs face extreme temperatures to ensure they withstand real-world conditions.
Bulbs are tested against vibration and shock to ensure durability in transit and use.
Every bulb undergoes a final visual check to catch defects before packaging.
Bulbs are sorted by type and wattage, readying them for precise packaging. Each bulb is packaged individually to protect it during transport and storage. Boxes are sealed and labels checked to ensure accuracy before shipment.
Packed boxes are stacked onto pallets, preparing them for shipment.
Pallets of LED bulbs are loaded carefully onto trucks for delivery worldwide. Trucks carry the carefully packed bulbs through the factory yard, ready for distribution. LED bulbs are stored systematically in the warehouse, awaiting distribution to retailers. Retail packages are checked one final time to ensure customers receive flawless bulbs.
Packages are sorted automatically, ensuring each shipment reaches its correct destination efficiently. Retail shipments are loaded onto trucks, connecting the factory to homes and businesses worldwide.